To use voice recorder on a Samsung S25, first of all, you will have to open your app drawer and search for voice recorder. If you actually cannot find it right here, be sure that you download this application from Google Play Store or, for example, from Galaxy Store. When you open it, you can just simply click on this button and start recording. When you click on this button, you will pause, you can simply continue, and by clicking here, you can actually mark something on this audio line. And if you want to finish, you can click right here. You can set category for this specific record. So we can even set a name, your custom name, and here you can change the name of your record. Then click save. And right now we can just open it, and here you can use, for example, the transcribe. So it will actually use AI, and here you can select a language. There we go. And as you can see here, we can find transcript for this record. In this place, we can also speed up this. And by tapping right here, we can remove transcript. We can hide speaker labels. We can add actually a lot of different functions, and we can even edit. We can cut something from this audio if we want by using this simple editor. So that's how it actually looks.